I'm Mark Winkler. I've been living in this house for about 5 years. It's in lovely Studio City, California. And I'm a singer, songwriter, educator, record producer. Well, I've been wanting to go solo for many years. A friend of mine recommended AMECO. I've had a wonderful experience with AMECO. Yasmin has been great. She'd call me the night or 2 nights before and say, they're coming over to your house. They want to look at the roof. No surprises. You delivered when you said you would. Well, for me, number one, I believe in saving our planet. But it's great to save some money too. And Thomas let me know that I'd be saving about $80 a month. I've got the app on my phone. And every day I can look and see how much power I'm using. I'm going to be saving money. I'm going to be helping the planet. You guys are great. So I want to recommend you to all my friends.